Hey guys, so today I'm starting a new channel and it's gonna be a dirt biking channel. So I got a bunch of random stuff off TEMU, like dirt biking accessories and stuff, and gonna see how they work and stuff. So alright, so I just woke up and look what's at the door. TEMU, baby. Alright, so this is all the dirt bike stuff. Let me just open it real quick. I think this is TEMU anyways. If not, it's supposed to come tomorrow. So let's find out. Shipping only took 6 days, which isn't that bad. So, what TEMU? I have no idea if it's TEMU. Oh shit. It doesn't even say TEMU because normally there's a bag that says TEMU in it, but alrighty. Oh, that says TEMU. Alright, so first thing I got is this. So it's a Pro Taper head handlebar thing. So just peel this shit off. Is that sticky? Oh no, we're good. So I don't know if this will fit my bike, but we'll find out. How is this supposed to go on the handlebars? Guess you're gonna have to cut it? I don't know. And then, oh, these are the numbers. Yeah. Shit, they sent me 3 or 4? I only ordered 2. Alright. They sent me like 3 numbers. I only ordered 2 numbers. Woo! Let's go. Oh, this is the shifter. Or the gear changer, whatever you want to call it. Shit, here we go. I feel like that looks a little big, but we'll try it out. What else do we got in here? Oh shit, and the gas things to go in your gas tank. I don't know why they came with these. I think, oh, they're metal. Damn. I think this is something else for the dirt bike too. Oh, this is the grips. Woo! Pro Taper grips. And by the way, guys, I got this all for free. They're pretty good. My brother's here. You want to say hi, son? They're pretty good. Here, pass. So these are the grips, Pro Taper. And later in this video, oh, I think that's all for the dirt bike stuff. There's more! There's more ones! There's more ones! I didn't know. I don't know what the hell that is. Alright, what's this? Oh, yes! This is for the exhaust, so it makes it louder. Woo! That's gonna be good. Makes the exhaust louder, I guess. And that's everything. I'll put it all on the dirt bike and I'll show you guys. So let's get out there. All right, so it's the next day. I put all of it on this morning because I had no time yesterday. And I just had a little bit of time in the morning. So, yeah. I'll go on a rip after, but there's the Pro Taper handlebar thing. The grips. That grip was a pain in the ass to get on. The shifter. It's pretty good. Feels cheap though. Like it's gonna break, you know what I mean? Like feels cheap. But it's pretty good, works good. Yeah. And I'll get a video of me ripping after. Yeah. So, yeah. All right, here we go. So here's the bike. So we got the grips. I ended up taking off the Pro Taper thing for right here because it didn't have a hole in it. I'm gonna get a different one that has a hole in it, like so you can put it on, because the one that I had before, you couldn't put it on unless you cut it, so I just gave it to my buddy. Bike over to my house, and we went down into the field out there, and my neighbor came over to my house, but my parents, or my mom and dad weren't home, so it was just looking like a Dumbo at the door, and it was super funny because I think we were making too much noise or something. Ow, shoot, that was hurt. Right into something there. So he came over and he kept knocking on the door, and after like 10 minutes he finally left. So me and my buddy, we were just laughing our butts off because like we were like, what did we do wrong? What did we do wrong? And we did nothing wrong because it's like no one owns that property in that field. So we just comes at our house, and I tell my mom about this at dinner today, and she's like, what did you want? And I think we were making too much noise or something, because this is a 4-stroke, not loud at all, stock exhaust. The only thing that's not stock is the things I got off TEMU.
because he brought his brand new, and he's had it since 2019. So like the silencers, I guess, have like worn off, because his is a bit louder than mine, but still, they're not even that loud. Like, neighbor, give me a break. I gotta put some more gravel there. One more lap and I'll do that so I can get to it. And I need a new landing there. So, here, let's do that real quick. So like, it's a 4-stroke. Like, it's not that loud. So let's just add a little bit of gravel. Oh, that rut is deep. Because I made that jump way bigger today. Same with the landing. Dude, I've been casing that landing so much. Alright, that's good for the jump. So add a little to the landing. Landing looks like it needs some help. Oh, this is exhausting. Because I am wearing a hoodie because the bugs are terrible. And I just don't want to get eaten alive. So I'm wearing a hoodie. Probably not the best idea. There we go, that should fix it for a while. And like, listen. Freaking my brother broke, see these things right here? Brother broke the clutch, so can't start it in gear. Has to be in neutral. So annoying, because every time you stop the bike, you have to put it in neutral and say you're, oh shit, my kickstand. Oh, there we go. It's so annoying. Ooh, that was butter. I love that jump. That jump is so fun. Dude, if anyone knows how to catwalk, can they put that down in the comments? Like, ow. Woo. I hate. Why am I neutral? Ooh. Ooh. Like, that's a pretty big gap. I can fit probably 1.5 bikes in there. Like, my front wheel, yes, like 1.5 bikes. So, yeah, pretty good, pretty decent sized jump. It's just, it hurts like a fever if you case it. But like, as I was saying, if anyone has any tips on the catwalk, too much speed. Please let me know, because like, I'm pretty bad at catwalking, and I want to learn. Like, look, I'll show you guys right here. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I almost just died. I almost just fell back. That was sketch. But if anyone has any tips, like how to get up better, and like how to stay on the bike, and how to do it for longer, because I heard it's harder on a 4-stroke than a 2-stroke, because 2-strokes are easier. Alright, I'm gonna do 2 more laps and then I'm gonna end it here. I hate that jump because the landing is going to land flat every time. Oh my gosh. Didn't get enough speed there. I built that one today, so I'm still trying to jack it up for today. Put her on the jack. All right. See you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.